This course module will familiarize you with guided wave radar. After completing this module, you will be able to name the 3 segments of guided wave radars. Identify which guided wave radar is most suitable for the application in question. Describe the probe options for solids versus liquids applications. There are 3 basic models of the MT5000 series of guided wave radar. The MT5000 is for use in single liquid level applications. The MT5100 is used specifically for measuring interface level as well as total level in liquid applications. Lastly, there is the MT5200, which is used in solids applications as well as very low dielectric applications. These 3 configurations cover the full spectrum of guided wave level applications. Each radar level application must be evaluated to determine the process seals and probe which would perform best. Let's look at the basic parts of the MT5000 series radar. The radar is composed of 3 basic parts. The electronics, which can be supplied with a variety of output options. The coupler process seal, which can be supplied in multiple configurations to handle process pressures, temperatures, probe types, and wetted materials. And the probe, which can be as simple as a single rod or cable or supplied as a coax, twin probe, or customized design. The rod and cable probe designs can be modified in the field to fit the exact application requirements. In fact, if the customer decides to change from one type of probe to another, it's as simple as modifying the probe and making the change in the device software. The radar components are selected based on the customer's application and installation needs. The MT5000 is available with powder-coated aluminium or 316L stainless steel explosion-proof housing, as well as intrinsically safe configurations. Additionally, the outputs are available in SIL 3 certified 4 to 20 mA, HART, Foundation Field Bus, as well as Modbus. These electronic options are available with many internationally approved options. Once the electronics type has been determined, we can evaluate the coupler design to meet the application. Couplers are supplied standard with threaded connections. However, a wide variety of process seal designs are available depending on the pressure, temperature, and material compatibility requirements. ABB K-Tech can supply couplers to go to pressures above 5000 psi to vacuum and temperatures from -60 degrees Fahrenheit to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. These coupler designs can be supplied in a variety of materials, such as the standard 316 stainless steel, Hastelloy C276, Monel 400, and more. Now that we have our coupler requirements determined, we can make the last selection, which is probe type. Most applications can be solved with a single probe solution. Only when the dielectric is low or the vessel very tall do you absolutely require a coax, twin probe, or Stillingwell ready design. In these more challenging applications, one of these probe designs would likely be a solution. The reason these options work well in low dielectric or long measurement applications is because the signal strength is retained longer, and therefore the device maintains a better signal-to-noise ratio. The specification datasheet is a great resource for determining the best probe selection by looking at process material dielectric versus measuring distance. This chart will give you an overview of typical probe selections for liquids, interface, and solids applications. Remember that the cable and rod probes can be modified in the field in order to custom fit the probe for the application conditions. Comparing the different MT5000 series model configurations, we can see in what industries each model is most commonly used, as well as the measuring ranges for each. What have you learned in this module? The 3 segments of guided wave radars. Which guided wave radar is most suitable for the application in question? The available probe options for solids versus liquids applications.